Ungoti wezokuhlaziya kwezemidlalo ulindelwa moyo uthi umdlalo weMamelodi Sundowns neKaizer Chiefs uma betholene phezulu kulomqhudelwano womabili lamaqembu anethuba njengoba esedlale ngokulingana esikhathini esedlule kulomqhudelwano.
Chiefs and Sundowns, they've met twice before at this exact stage of the MTN8. And the good thing for both sides of fans is that Chiefs progressed the one time while Sundowns progressed the other time.
Uphinde waveza ukuthi uzakhele lepasa ungumgadli wesibili ebholeni lakuleli ukushaya amagoli amathathu emidlalweni owodwa kulomqhudelwano we-top 8 ngokuhamba ezinyathelweni zikaJimmy Khawuleza owenza okufanayo ngo-2002 bedlala neSwallows.
Zakhele Lepasa, he became only the second player in PSL history to score a hat-trick in a top 8 tie after Jimmy Khawuleza, which is 21 years ago in 2002 against Morocco Swallows.
Ukufinyelela kowandulela amanqamu alomqhudelwano kwe-Orlando Pirates, iMamelodi Sundowns kanye neKaizer Chiefs kwenzekile nangesizini edlule emva kweminyaka engama-20 bagcina ukuba ndawonye kulesi sigaba.
Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns reaching the last 4 of the MTN8, and that was the first time in 20 years as well. And now it's happened back to back, last season and this season.
Izinkundla nezinsuku zalemidlalo kusazomenyezelwa kanti baphawulile nababukeli bethu ngokuqhathwa kwalamaqembu.